Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to delete all comments in a worksheet with Delete in Excel. In general, most of users know how to remove one comment in Excel, but when you have a worksheet or workbook with multiple comments, do you know the way to mass remove all the comments? Now I will tell you some quick ways to remove all comments from a worksheet or the whole workbook. You can use shortcut to select all comments in a worksheet and then delete them. In the worksheet, you want to remove all comments. Press Ctrl A to select the whole sheet. Then click the Review tab. In the Comments group, click Delete. Then all the comments in the current worksheet are removed, as you can see. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.